What are you doing? Really? Why are you cleaning that?
Because I'm going to use that with the water.
Really? Well, good job.
Use hot water. Mom, I'm cleaning this.
Okay.
Okay. Are you
Now we need to dry it.
really?
Yeah, in the sun right now.
Okay, dry it in the sun. Be careful.
I need this.
Okay. All right.
Can't stand this.
Well, good job. Are you done now?
Well,
Are you done?
yep.
Good job.
Now we need wipe my hands first, then say goodbye.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. Well, thank you. Thank you.